questions you have received.
Yeah.
You can tell the number of questions you have received.
I'm just trying to. Are you able to hear us? Are you able to hear us? Okay. Very warm good afternoon from Bangalore. Welcome to the 11th episode of Teen Sawal 3 Questions. First of all, thanks to all the participants who are kind of joining in now and slowly. When we were trying to talk about in the last episode about Anand Kumar as with the episode with Anand Kumar as such, then we really need to see how exactly can we make a difference with what exactly is the need of a teacher. Because an unstructured teacher, a structured teacher, when we try to talk about, each one of them have taken their own journey per se as such. When we were kind of discussing and thinking about it, I thought that who can be the person or the person to be better than YSR, how we call him, and his full name is Padma Shri Yangnaswamy Sundara Rajan, and he is there with us. No introduction to be, I don't want to go through his profile per se as such, which we have kind of made it. But one thing which I have always liked that his interactions with me is action oriented. Enough of theory, while theory is required, we really require something which is actionable, sustainable and doable, because it's also equally important that how exactly we can keep giving some ideas. Another introduction which I think very few people kind of known, while he was a scientist, he has worked with people like Dhawan and Vikram Sarabhai, that kind of profile of people, including with former President Kalam, and that's a profile what he has kind of worked with, that kind of experience, and each one of them also has given us one kind of experience. Second experience which I would love to basically look at is, many people I don't know are aware that he was also the Vice Chancellor of Punjab Technical University, and that's where I think he wanted to bring in certain changes on technical university person. Along with this, he has travelled quite extensively across country, outside country, on different subjects, different areas. But I had the privilege of working with Sir at CII, where I used to be part of CII Institute of Quality, and Sir used to be the advisor. Sir, first of all, welcome and thank you very much on this afternoon to be with us to share some of your thoughts. One of the challenges what typically we face is, everybody talks about economy to do well, science and technology to do well, everything to be doing well. But whenever we kind of go deeper, finally it comes into that teacher and the teacher. That's it. What's your view and what are some of your thoughts? So there are three simple questions which I'm going to ask, and then we will take some questions, whatever is going to come in. The first and the foremost question is, what are your own views on this guru to teacher journey? Because you will surely give a lot of philosophical and the background part of it, which I would like you to touch upon. The second is, can you share some of the challenges per se as such what you have faced, because you have been in different roles and you have seen education policies, education thought processes, different kind of schools in your earlier role with the technology, with CII Shiksha, Institute of Quality and others. The third is, what is your solution per se as such that you think we really need to look at it? So the first is that let's set the context right, where we are and how the teachers need to prepare for the next decade or so. So,
thank you, Senthil. First of all, I want to make a small correction. You said a person, the person or the person. I am neither. It is a person.
Okay.
So that's one thing which we all have to remember. And it's a good part. See, I have been in my later part of my life in space that is starting in 20. I would have been shaped by teachers and all. Then it was a doing in action. You learn a different type of teachers. They are work-wise, work teachers. With the work life, there are different type of teachers. But we are not talking about them.
Correct.
We are talking about people who are shaping. In fact, I am going to more concentrate on the schools.
Correct.
In fact, everybody talks in India. Very unfortunate thing is, when we start about education, immediately they will jump into IIT. How many aims you are going to start? and when we will say that we have started so many NITs, I am not saying that it should not be there. But bulk of the money, really if you see the budget, bulk of the money goes for these. Whereas the one which is to be seen is the real bottom level. I am not telling bottom level of the other bulky base, I will tell about it later, a lot of children.
Correct.
But also the one starting from the child from 2.5 to 3 years.
Correct.
To shape that child towards a life where it can fulfill itself. It can be confident about itself. Because at that time we won't call it as itself. If a young man and woman will be able to do things for themselves, will be creative, will be able to adjust. Now this is a very great challenge. In a sense, we all think, okay, we predict 10 years, 20 years, I have been involved in 2020 and all that, but we don't say, in the horizon we see,
Correct.
but you have to take near term. If you don't take it, next 1.5 year what we will do. That's what we did in space. We didn't say that we will have a geosynchronous, all that was there in the mind, but can you do a rocket, can you do something further? These small steps are very, very necessary. Same applies to here.
Education.
And then the problem is a child which starts at age 3. When I was in age 3, probably I was not even talking well. They told me that.
Correct.
So, and moreover, it is around age 5. Since my mother died, we moved in an unelectrified village from Bombay. Probably a stupid decision they took, but the reason was there because my Periyappa, Periyamma were there in that place. But now, there I had a wonderful education which I did not know. So, predetermine that it is going to be like this is a problem that we should not have. And what is coming ahead from then to now, science has changed. Some scientific theories have been thrown out.
Correct.
Many economic theories have been thrown out.
Agree.
Many technologies have. Why that much? When we were trying to do CIA Shiksha, we were trying to introduce, we will use that open source and then do etc. etc. No, none of them are required. You have got net everywhere, and everybody is having a mobile in the hand where they can see, which is what you are doing the program.
Correct, right now, yeah.
Just so simple. Not big equipment around everybody. So you have to remember this. You have to be ready for a future. But don't say, I am dreaming a better India. Better India means nothing. Every day we have to become better. Every year we have to become better.
Agree.
So, only thing is, certain basic things one can say. Can the child become independent of the mother, the teacher, this, etc.? So, overall, they will be able to do. That independence doesn't mean, I will do what I want. No, world is interdependent. Within that interdependent world, how that the child which becomes a boy or a girl, then becomes a young man, a young woman, then a professional, whatever. I am using the professional in the broadest terms of now. Don't take it as engineering.
Engineering and medical only.
So they start doing work.
Correct.
If they are not economically useful, socially useful, they are bad. They will become a burden. They will feel it themselves.
So when you talked about the burden part of it and you were talking about the bottom of the pyramid, I still remember that when we did that program, Actions Now, RTE, you remember at Delhi, that particular program when we were doing it, you talked about a very interesting percentage of people kind of moving with the bulky pyramid at the school segment. So when you say that the people are not going to be employable and the people filtering at different ages, what is your thought? I still remember that rough statistics which you said was 84%, 87%. Then you talked about 10%.
Okay. Glad that you told it.
Yeah.
Because this bottom of the pyramid, I never accepted the word.
Correct.
So the bottom means I got a small, we make a decoction, especially being a Bangalorean, we make coffee.
Correct.
In the bottom you will have that little sediment.
Correct.
That you can say.
Correct.
But when the whole thing itself is full,
Yes.
nearly half is full, is a bulky base is what I call it. So if I will give a rough quick, I don't like to do too much statistics. You look at it, every year approximately 20 million children are born. Now midpoint have just come down to 19 million because growth rates and birth rates are coming down. So let us take it 20 million. The past 2002 onwards, 2000 onwards, you see 20 million. Then 2 crore.
Okay.
Now, out of this, now you look at it. Suppose you had this one, you go inside that.
Yes.
How many go for IITs?
Less
It's
than
only
1%.
a nano layer. In those days, it was 5,000, now 500, 600. It became this one, now it is something like 10,000.
Correct.
All your NIT, everything together, whatever we call IAS, chartered accountant, all will come to less than 2%.
Less than 2%. Okay.
Less
Yeah.
than 2%.
Sure.
They are the people who can say, okay, I am going to get a job. I have done the mass communication here, or journalism here, I did something here, etc. Then coming down, people will say 24% GER. People are very careful, with words.
Huh.
I don't, therefore I ask questions because I am basically trained as a scientist, not as a police question, but as this question. Cross enrollment ratio. It doesn't say how many get out. So all your higher education, they will say 25% or 30%, etc. How many come out? Very big question.
So what you
Many don't go at all. So those which will be actually complete a
degree completion and the
course completion, even 5 years, 6 years doesn't matter for me. After this, leave these fellows up, this will be around 10 to 15%. But if you look at that, what the degree is, I use this word publicly. I've been using it for the past 10 years. I will use it here also. Falana degrees.
Okay.
So please forgive me because some of teachers also might have got this falana degree and might be struggling.
Correct.
It's not their fault because we are only giving them only that opportunity. One centralized syllabus, do the history in this and history in this. I am not against history, but
Correct.
provided you introduce newer techniques of history. Now, genetics get into history. One finding of genetics somewhere, the whole archaeology changes.
Yes.
So it has to be continuously changing.
Ever
on any
evolving.
one of it.
Ever evolving.
Every evolving 2 years, 3 years. This means the teachers have to
Evolve.
learn also. Now I don't blame the teachers because CIA Shiksha, I have gone and talked to many teachers and the principal. The super heavy thing, NCERT syllabus only. We think that is a somewhere given from the God has given to India. That is the only thing to be used. And it goes down and each state says that I have got, we will make our own syllabus. They make some changes here and there. When some political leader, they would have used it into one history book, some sociology book, something would have added. But otherwise, basically core subjects, they just leave it like that. Then when you see it, a child, poor child, there is not everybody. I always point out like this. See these I am speaking like this. See the 5 fingers. None of the 10 will be same.
Agreed.
So that is how the nature is, the diversity, the children which are born for the same parent, boy or a girl or whichever
Brother,
it is.
sisters, brother,
Brother, sister. One will be very musically talented, another will be something else. One will be in another house, that the same other sibling somewhere would be games.
Correct.
Partly there is a sociological conditioning, in a sense somebody they might have seen a game, etc. But it is also, there is a lot of genetic and various other things are involved. So let us recognize that diversity. This recognition of the diversity cannot be done by sitting on the top, even by the principal or
management
head this thing, or let alone the big committees, big names you hear in Delhi or state capitals, they cannot see it. So it is to be done by the teacher in the class, either 35 or 40 or 50 teachers. You give them the freedom.
So the freedom has to be given to the teacher in the classroom to
in
experience
the classroom
education.
to see you. I am not wanting to say NCERT and all get destroyed. Let them do 10,000 modules. Maybe one in gardening, another is something else. Let the teacher decide. This child is, because before this, I was, one of the questions which have come is that how do you make students to not fail? See, not making fail is a problem. But one should not looking at guillotine. I will make it like that. You have to ensure that the child goes in the right path where it learns. In which case, it will not fail. The chances of it failing is very low. So here what happens is, we want everybody to become Ramanujam. We want everybody to become to C.V. Raman.
Yes.
We want to become everybody to become great economists. We want to become everybody that one type of journalism which is prescribed.
Correct.
They don't want to think. So this part of it is that is what is causing this unemployability. You put a square peg into a round hole, you have a problem.
Correct.
That filtering has to be done. In fact, I am not filtering. We are only doing filtering and guillotine. Instead of that, we have to say, let the teacher decide. She or he who is there will have. Still, there are some men also there in the system, which I found the statistics.
Correct.
Which is good, this thing. So that is also a little diversity. So this part of the people have to see how the child will be. Oh, very good. Can you do gardening? One of the module of what the gardening is, what are the things, what is the manure, what is chemical, what are the things to be taken care of. Make the child to grow something around.
In his or classroom or outside the classroom?
Outside.
Yes.
And evaluate the child on that.
Not on the examination.
Exam botany. This one, that one, this is the pipal tree and other thing. We have done it. But at least when I was studying in St. Xavier's, my science teacher used to bring plants in which he will put this is 7th or 8th class, I am telling you.
Okay.
He will put a plant there and then he will say, okay, now I am going to put some ink inside. We will see tomorrow. He will dissect it and show that the fellows have gone up.
The ink has gone up into
You will take 2 items, you will cut one, you see this, it is like this. Here it is. So these are the things people have to learn. Not only for science.
Yeah.
For everything. And I have seen some, I was lucky, I was in the DAV system also.
Correct.
There was one Kushal, who is no
Bombay.
more. He used to arrange lot of teachers to share their experiences. I have found some teachers doing some enormous job. I have studied, see, physics, optics, 45 degrees here, 45 degrees will come. This, we take it for granted. This is laws of reflection.
Correct.
Have you ever verified it? She did a very good experiment. Those 2 teachers.
Okay.
They darkened the room. Because now it is possible because the laser light is there.
Correct.
So she has a mirror. And then they went and took a duster.
So that
all dusted, everything is there. Then she puts there and then it will go.
and the reflection can actually be seen.
You can see, then you can teach all the. I am giving one example. It is not only in science. In economics, it can be done.
Correct.
Go and see the shops.
Correct.
Onion price have gone up because onion is low. When they bought so much, now
The prices have again gone down.
then another side of the story is the foreign onions which you have got, mostly it doesn't sell because the people don't like. Indians like the pungency. You can make some child can be marketing.
Yeah.
It will learn the marketing. It will bite and see.
Correct.
So these are the things you have to shape it right from the bottom. Now I will end it by saying, actually the bottommost pre-nursery and the primary, whichever way it is, whether it is 4 or 5, it doesn't matter for me because the pre-primary, super primary and all that they are doing up to the age of approximately 8 or 9 because there is a neurological reason for it.
Correct.
So many things happen, not only the size of the brain. So until that time, it is that teacher who is like a beautiful clay which has come. She sieves it. Each child can be made beautiful. And then it goes up. Then further they are doing, when you come to IIT and all, out of 18th when it comes, whether it is IIT or whether it is in a college, they are only doing this little gold filtering. That's all.
Final touches only.
Final touches only. In fact, one of the IIT director, he told very well, hey Baba, everybody wants character building. 18 years the child comes, variety of God knows what it is, teaching, rote learning, somebody doing read only this, parents are telling it. After the age of 18, almost everything is frozen. And now within the 4 years, do I teach this, do I teach that, and I have to shape them into character. So this is the bottom level, is where it can be done by teachers. Now the question will arise, can they do it?
Correct. Can the teachers do it?
Can the teachers do it? I am sure, I am confident. Let the teachers say that I am wrong. If given an opportunity, responsibility, and a certain degree of authority,
sure,
everybody is tempered by degree of authority. Don't think that managing director, CEO
Correct.
is not all powerful. Because I know when I was vice chancellor, साहब, vice chancellor, decision आपका final है. Your decision is final. अरे बाबा, that decision is within the rules of what can be done. Yours is not. The child has not passed 12th. I can't put it.
Correct.
Because there are certain subjects you are not done. So within the bounds of something, they have to do. Then, if they are given the responsibility and the residual authority, they will do it. Question is not that of money alone. Money will come.
Keep coming,
afterwards.
yes.
Will keep coming. The main reason is they will feel, my child has gone. My uncle, my family, at least 2 people, my wife teaches nursery, LKG and all. She even loves it because she loves children. Her uncle, maternal uncle, he has been a teacher all along, school teacher in Tamil Nadu and all. He says he was about 93, he died around 93 or so, very small amount of, possibly 89, 90. He used to tell me, the grandchildren of his students have come to see him when he was in the old age home. Rajan, what else pleasure one can get? He was in an old age home in Coimbatore.
Okay.
So people will recognize.
It's a question of time.
It's a question of, now today there is no time because they are all teachers are like a robo. Sorry to say this.
Correct.
Do this. Because when I was going for Shiksha, some 2-3 very innovative headmistresses were there. They made their students, then I asked, the 40-50 teachers, do they agree? They were seeing lot of movies and select some movie in which they will take all the children with the bus. It was a private school.
Correct.
Not too much of money. It is a very lower end of the private school. Then I said, do they have? No, teachers have started working with me. Then I always ask a very specific question about what is after 8? Yes, sir, after 8 I have a problem. I have to worry only about CBSE marks, 9 and 10. Otherwise, the parents will cut my neck. And then now I have to be on the coaching, and everything there only. Otherwise, that fellow, his owner, he gives him freedom up to this. Management gives up to this. There I want results. After that, she gives up. Correct. So now the point is, all this, why not make it together? When you told about RTE,
correct.
Actually, my own feeling is I was opposing the RTE when I was telling CII, trying to work it out, saying that please insulate the private fellows
correct.
who are not given grants.
Correct.
They were not doing it, people didn't know the ramification of it. Correct. Unnecessarily, you brought the bureaucracy of the state education department into places. There they will not know anything. What is the size of your latrine? How much water comes?
Correct.
That is immaterial. Many schools have been closed because of that.
Not only even in higher education institution, when you go to university.
They will go only because bureaucracy normally works. I want objective. What is the objective? What is the size of the table? Size of the table is not going to determine how good the child learns.
What is the equipments in the lab? What is
the weight of the chair and this one, that one, etc., etc. So the point about it is, actually we should have worked on Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan.
SSA itself, yes.
Itself, law was not needed because law in this country has got all laws are unintended consequences. There is a very great Chinese philosopher, Lao Tzu, says, a country which has large number of laws
correct.
Will have large number of thieves. He says that. Great man.
Okay.
So the reason is, you make laws in such a way that you break one, without which you cannot do anything. Once you break one law, then you say you are encouraged to do another thing. So we have not too many laws. You are seeing before you. We are looping ourselves. So instead of that, it should have been enabling that certain things in SSA were good. They made a compound wall.
We just
said, no, that is good. Because I thought, why waste that money? I had gone to some villages in which we were working on with Dr. Kalam and one Jain Muni. They were all interested in making something for understanding of religions, so different religions. One Jain group had funded them. That headmistress was wanting only Compound wall, compound wall, compound wall, compound wall. She was of the elementary.
Okay.
Eendal or something is the name of the place.
Yeah.
By road, there is a nice road, access is there. Then I said, why are you telling this? I said, her agenda was, one was a bathroom for the girl, which I can understand.
Correct.
Another thing is
The compound wall.
compound wall. Then I told her, this I understand. Why you want compound wall? Then she says, she dragged me.
Okay.
Sir, stand here on the roadside.
Okay.
That's the near the some fencing is done, barbed wire fencing. Sir, it is there.
Only this.
So leave it.
This.
So compound wall is there. Then she says, sir, I will first tell it in Tamil and
Sure.
then I will.
Sure.
The பாருங்க அந்த குழந்தையெல்லாம் வந்த உடனே எல்லாம் I put them into the class and then I lock it.
Why?
You know what?
Huh.
One of these boys and girls, some of them are very active. I can't be seeing. அடகுத்த கோழி மாதிரி நான் வச்சுருக்கேன் சார். That is the one. I lock them and then like a hen which is sitting on the eggs, I am sitting. I am always outside when the teachers are doing. Because some child may just jump out. They may bring a ball. There are some place to ball. When they run through that and then if a child dies, I will feel like I will die myself.
Accused one is normally
So
legally also.
after that compound wall was done, she was so ecstatic.
Yeah.
She sent us a poem
Very
in
good.
Tamil. So compound wall is understandable because these are all some of these things again you have to ask the local people instead of prescribing yourself.
Correct.
So they know what is critical.
Correct.
Then of course the resources management will be there, budget will be there, those things have to be seen.
Sure. So
Then
coming back to
another
the
question is also it's not a question of only the how much you give the teacher the money. Yes, it's a problem. You can't say that they should be paid exactly like an IT professional.
they can.
It can't be. But they will get a satisfaction which is far more than an IT professional.
No, but sir, unfortunately, when you're talking about the salary, there are no legal systems, or there's no statute as such. The teacher must be paid a X amount. Whereas when you try to go for a daily wage laborer or any other, like nurses, today there's a rates which have been fixed. But when you go to teacher, you look at a 3,000, 5,000, 7,000. There are people who are paying up to a lakh also. But what I'm trying to say, the variation.
No. The thing is like I don't know this detail. I don't know. I know for as far as colleges and these things are concerned, there is a UGC scale.
UGC scale is been supposed to be paid.
But similarly for teachers also it is there. The fact that it is not paid.
Correct.
This is a speciality of India. Okay, this is there everywhere.
Correct.
It's not only in this, many small industries and other things when you see, who pays the minimum wage labor? In India it is not paid. It is there only in the organized sector, which is having only 6% of the workforce in India is in the organized sector. Otherwise, when it becomes a shortage.
Correct.
When a shortage is there, people will come. So for shortage removal, I am having this thing. Today, because it's like this so much, so constrained from the top, etc., give them the freedom.
Okay.
I am glad that the NEP, I read the news. I read it, I don't know again. Anything which comes in newspapers, I take it always very
It has
carefully.
recently been said.
But it says apparently PM has told that too many of these apex bodies are too much, how it will be viable, etc. Actually, if he could do, let him decentralize the authority of running it.
As many people.
As many this thing. Similarly, as many accreditation people.
Multiple
Because anything which is single accreditation, it can be a single accreditation or single certification. It will be, I'm saying,
Go to
it will be a
license
point of corruption. Inspector 1, corruption.
Inspector, yeah.
It can be multiple inspecting. I am for accreditation, how they run, etc.
And also
that accreditation should not be how are you compared to that international school. India has got some about 15, 30,000 international school. Even within that, there is a gradation. Bachelorette, this, that. They are all English babus.
Correct.
Let them be. I have no quarrel with them. Then if you come down, lower ends of the international school, affiliated to CBSE, etc., etc. Then comes the whole set of other things, state government, this one, that one, etc. But again, if you see it, private run, government run, even within the government run, central government run, Kendriya Vidyalaya are apart. Then comes state government run. When you go to corporate and municipal run, it's a problem. When I was a young fellow, K. Abbas has written, all the big people, they will be sending their children abroad. The Blitz last page he will write. This one, it is the poor proletariat or below. They will send their children to municipal school. And it is true even today. So it is these, even in the municipal schools, you empower the teacher. I am confident. Amma or ஐயா உங்க தான் உங்க குழந்தைகள் எப்படி வருதுன்னு பார்க்கணும் லைஃப்ல. அது சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும்.
Correct.
Not by giving them extra mark, but you train them many things. Occasionally they can talk to the parents also.
Nothing wrong.
So if they can do that, and given from this milieu, I will say some 4 or 5 core subjects.
Correct.
One's own mother tongue.
Correct.
Or the local language.
Mother tongue or the local language. Okay.
A smattering of some English.
Smattering. Okay.
That is because many things in the modern computer era is in that.
English. Okay.
The child should be able to A, B, something is to be there. Not to become a Shakespeare.
Correct. So communication English versus the literature English.
Then functional maths. Why do you want to struggle them through so much of algebra and all? STEM is good. But how many of them? Your reality is only 2%. I would want them to become 15%. Economics, all that will require maths.
Correct.
But why do you want to do this way? Give functional math means I am working for 10 hours.
Correct.
Wage is this much. I am getting this much interest from the bank. I gave this much loan.
Very, very functional and operational to the life.
Operational type of thing is enough for most of us. Why do you want to burden with constitution? Most people don't know. In civics, rather in the civics, you can tell about the basic things are giving cleanliness. Be respectful to your neighbor.
Correct.
We don't have. We are one of the most antisocial people in the world. We bring our dog, we'll nice pedestrian crossing, we will walk about, and then the big fellows will come and then have the dog, it will shit on that. Sorry to use this word. It does this. They won't even remove. Whereas in the foreign, even if they bring, I have seen in Jawaharlal Nehru Park, the embassy, those who come, they will have a plastic thing in there. This thing, in case this thing does, they will collect it and put it with them. There is a bag with there. So these are the type of thing. All these have to be brought in. That is what is civic sense.
Okay.
Rather than Constitution of India who made
mother
it.
tongue or local language, smattering English. You talked about civics. You talked about functional mathematics. What else?
These are the 4 items. Rest of it will be multiples of subject. Higher science, higher this thing, higher economics.
Based on the child's ability.
Child's ability, some maybe only skill.
So you need to push.
You need to put all of them. But do not make, suppose a child has taken up to 8, lot of skills, it did everything. Suddenly it comes to the brain. Because it also sees other things, talking, etc., etc. Now I want to do lot of economics.
Correct.
Science. I want to do a lot of literature. Allow that child to go. Because in India, what we have is, we have this or go. In Tamil they say, Vecha Kudumi, Seracha Motta. That is, you keep either this one or out.
Complete.
So I was forced to get out of biology after my 12th.
Why so?
But that is how the rule is.
Okay.
Either you go this side, otherwise
Physics
biology
or
side.
biology.
Biology side, medical. Because you answer to one of the questions which people ask, why girls are going more for
Sure. So I have questions.
biology.
Correct.
Why girls are going biology? Because they may be thinking in terms of going for nursing, pharma, variety of them. They take the maths. No problem. They take the maths. They will get stuck. If they take physics, much lower.
Correct.
Whereas she has lot of other opportunities around the medical field.
Right. Now there is one question from Dr. Maithili from Jain University. I have a lot of questions which have also come in. We'll try to take one by one quickly. The first question which has come up is about the teachers when you try to do the segmentation, urban, rural, suburban, the categorization. How do we try to do the preparation for them for different amount of students, different kind of students who are coming in? How do we work around it? Because the question why it has been asked is, suppose there is a school which is there in the metro, there is a school which is there in non-metro, there is a school which is in suburb, there is something. So how do we try to take care of these teachers? Because this teacher, metro teacher will have more exposure, whereas the other teacher may not have that kind of exposure. So how do we try to do the empowerment? That's the first question which is kind of common. Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Shall I answer this?
Yes.
Okay, it's a very good question. Again, our one size fit all
Approach.
for everything, that is what I was talking about, all this education thing,
Correct.
has created the problem.
So we should
Even
not have,
within the metro, the teacher may be knowing many things, etc., but the children which are coming around,
correct.
earlier you had asked the question why a teacher has asked how to make the students
Correct.
to go not for the parental one.
Correct.
Suppose a child wants, I want to study about sports medicine, sports related things,
Correct.
or sports organizations,
Sports management,
the sports management.
which is now becoming.
No, if it is in that direction, but you have to start it from the bottom itself, not go on the top.
So specializations need not come at a very higher level, and then
It can be small little one steps, small baby steps can be done.
Okay.
3-4 options can be done. This, of course, metro is the so-called IT enabled system, blended system, may be better in metro.
Okay.
Suburban, less. But when it go to rural, simply say that I am going to reach you. It doesn't reach because your mobiles have a problem.
Access is still
Access is a problem. Money is a problem. Affordability is a problem. Every child being given a international school, every child will be having 2 this thing, 4 mobiles, etc.
Correct.
So you had, that is where I said this allowing of diversity should be allowed. And that should be celebrated. Don't talk about this one saying that it is bad. Of course, there will be a thing that rich people will send their children. But now, if you see the rich people, they will send it to Bachelorette or something like that.
Sure.
Or they will send abroad. Now, most of the people are sending their children even after 10th abroad.
Yes,
they can afford money.
But not everybody can.
No, I am not against. I am not jealous about. I am not wanting to pull them down.
Let them do what is available and
Whatever
accessible.
available, they are there. Whatever, okay. But for others, there are multiple opportunities. If it is given, basically, if the child is successful in doing something concrete, creative, and then keep doing something which is able to relate to some project. When you go to 7th, after 8, 9, 10,
Correct.
to do a social project. I am not saying social means only go to your old age home, etc.
Yeah.
Something which impacts the society.
The nearest community.
Nearest community
which
you
is
go, or maybe somewhere else, you go and do a project, you go and see some census, you see rat menace somewhere, you go and see I am trying to find some solutions. They are writing some project. It will not be the best ones.
Sure, but still it will kind of trigger a discussion for
further, and then that makes the child doing a project. That is the basic difference between Americans and Indians. Our Indian fellows, because many people, American academics have told me, they will do excellent, so much mark, 9.3 grading, etc. When they are chosen for PhD, they can't choose their own problems. Whereas even a class child will choose a problem.
Correct.
I want to do a table, man. They will do it. Finland, what I am telling now, later after I wrote that book only, I realized Finland is, of course, it's a small country.
Correct.
It is characterizing each child. And then this it fits to that child.
Nurturing thereafter.
Nurturing in that route. There are some, but not one. It should not be one goal. It should be multiple
things.
So that it will change. You allow for it. Your rules should be such. You allow for a change.
Correct.
The 7th, no, now I want to become only a great artist after struggling in science. Maybe they were good in science also.
But nobody gave them that right
Today
space.
it is not possible. See, drawing, a great artist told me, you want to do the drawing, become great artist, be under 5, the child has to be given. The great artist get that stroke, which makes them a difference with somebody else.
Correct.
Somebody told me, I have not verified. So that comes from certain muscle movements which is not frozen at the age of 5. But I know about musicians, all of them at 5. When Zakir Hussain tells about it, how much? Everybody. So you should be, some of those talents also they should be able to pick it up. Then the child said, oh, got a great musical talent. I don't have it here. Can you arrange? That is where the CPA, what is that, corporate social responsibility, instead of dumping some money, instead of dumping some money in the school, I mailed some this one, that one, etc. They should look at these and then they should be allowing that.
Fine. The second question which is also coming is about NEP. You have already touched about it. It says that the inequality in lifestyles make parents fear about their kids. The mark and money system basically come in. This question, how to transform parents from fear to confident. Dr. J. Komal Lakshmi from Coimbatore has asked this particular question.
See,
and the second question for her is also about this girls part, the Bloom's taxonomy testing cleared students, but again child and parent issue that she's kind of touching upon.
See, the child and parent issue, a teacher cannot dictate terms to the parents.
Correct.
Because finally who funds?
Parents.
That the entire education in India, people talk only what is the government budget. Government budget comes from tax, but so many almost even in school education, now it is around 42% of private schools. Because the government schools don't work properly because too much of oppressive rules on them. Go for election duty, go for this, go for that. Plus also there is a certain amount of teacher unionization, which supports only the those who don't work.
Negative.
But you give them also freedom, they will work. So now coming back to this, parents' worry is genuine because they are worried that a child should get a minimum thing in life.
Correct.
In today, you don't know that you taught a child a BA history. That child will go up in life, they don't know. They don't want to see that child when it is 18, 20-year-old, shuttling around here and there, not getting even a clerical job. You have to think of it. One cannot say that I don't want to name the schools, these things, that school it came, BA such and such, because they have got a network. Just as rich people have got, in India also elite have got a network.
Yes.
So therefore that cannot be taken as a thing, because it has to come under the parents. See, today population levels are going down. Birth rate is going. Why? People have realized that their child will survive. Mortality rate surviving will automatically, though it takes almost a generation for them to say that it is happen. So here the worry is there, but the system which I am telling, I have given the solution there also. If parents are afraid that only this system should be there, let them be there.
Are you talking about the way beyond?
Way beyond the 3 hours.
Okay. Professor Y.S. Rajan's book is that Way Beyond 3 Hours.
India's Education Challenge.
India's Education Challenge by Penguin Publication. I think it's a must-read book for every parent as well as for the teacher, because that will give you a lot of clarity, a lot of thought processes. That is something which is very, very important. The third question which has come is Dr. Rajesh Sharma from Bal Bhavan School, Bhopal. What are the technological challenges for teachers with advent of artificial intelligence and VR, virtual reality. And will the millennial join as a teachers? What's your view?
See, it's like this. We in India like to jump into a panacea. In 1990, when thanks to Narasimha Rao, he
opened
up. Another one instance with one Prime Minister, I don't want to tell it here because of it. It was very clear. Unless it is liberated, it will not come. Okay? That's a first this thing. So in 1995, even with the liberalization, we did not go for manufacturing, we did not go for agriculture, we did not go for IT. In IT, India will jump into services sector, which is not.
But it's
they were working in the bottom.
Correct.
So Similarly, we want to jump into something, knowledge society. You would have heard all that. Then bioinformatics, biology, BT, IT, BT, this thing. So AI and VR. I have also been in space. So people thought there was some this thing, but we were very good because we did a site experiment. We know the limitations of space in terms of spreading education. Because you need teachers.
At ground reality.
At ground reality, it is necessary. Even telemedicine, it is so. In typhoid, we said this, you can't go to administer a patient unless your medical doctor has seen. So we had a mobile hospitals. Why I am telling you there, which will go in Uttarakhand, even now it is working. It will go, it won't lay down a person. Mobile diagnostics. So similarly, many of these new technologies which are coming are not a panacea. Our society is much more complex.
Okay.
This AI VR may go to some top international schools, this one, etc. Some government may say that I may do this model school. Some other private person will say I have invested and then done modern school, etc. They will be handful. If somebody says I do it in 1,000 schools in India or even 10,000 schools in India, for me it is nothing.
That's a voluminous.
8 million. We need to think of them. Now, having said it, we cannot ignore AI and VR. Let those fellows do. Let some elite institutions do. In the meanwhile, we have to Indianize it. When I mean by Indianizing is, I am not telling the English or computer, etc. The Indian realities, it is to be adjusted.
Okay.
And then look at it, make certain smaller modules, just as you are doing this now. Can that be somebody that goes to first to the teacher? New things are coming. Ma'am, you can learn this, you can do that, etc. Don't unnerve.
Actually, what is happening was, because this is very overwhelming for a teacher when somebody goes and says, oh, AI is going to come, robot is going to come, tomorrow you have to write codes, you have to write all these things, and there's so much of pressure which gets built on the teacher and on the child, and the parent also starts, saying that, okay, my son is not there, he's not there for the future. So, as you rightly said, it is only for one segment of people, and let's experiment.
Let them do it, but others, you use the derived one. See, for example, satellite, and I told about satellite communication.
Correct.
You don't want everybody to become a satellite expert.
Correct.
But even the mobiles, etc., come via satellite.
Correct.
We get cyclone morning.
Correct.
Like this, some of these elements, all these are only supplementaries. AI or VR or any one of them are only supplementaries, not a final this thing. Your main food is to be there. You can't be relying on only some pickle and then some this ones, etc. You need
main course has to be there.
Main course has to be some of those elements what I said.
Okay.
So can we use AI, etc., to make something where a skill generation, something which is being done, make that module available for a download.
And do it in a smaller piece.
It is smaller for that. When I am doing the plant, when it is wilting, can you go what it is? Is it due to virus? Is it due to something? These are the type of things which can be done. Otherwise, to talk of it as panacea is bad. To make teachers to become this thing is wrong.
Correct.
It is something like everybody in the office then has to become an automobile engineer.
Correct. And
because you are driving a car.
And you need not be.
Need not. Cannot be. I am not saying need not be. Cannot be. I can't expect everybody to use a higher technology. You don't have to be in there. Now coming to the millennial. What if our industry is, just as industry was liberalized, education is liberalized, then many schools, not only those elite, but the medium level and other things, etc., just as Uber, Ola, that type of experiments, some of the millennial may find some of the modules, what I said, they may generate it.
Okay.
They may not be actual teachers.
Okay.
See, everybody, when we say put a load on everybody, like a donkey, put everything. The teacher is a teacher.
Correct. He or she should be placed.
She should be learning in her subjects.
Correct.
More and more. As I said, economics, new thing is coming. Some other thing, history.
Correct.
Let her history teacher, let her do something more in the history, what she knows.
Correct.
Then also new other things which are coming in the education, research and all that, little low. She has to specialize on something.
Correct.
Which she has done it. Some BSc, this one, some physics, some this thing, let them be. I would love to see a teacher. I have come across some teachers.
Okay.
To ask some very difficult question in physics, they are able to tackle it even now. That means they are continuously learning. That is what they should learn. not to become a computer expert and all. Millennials will come around the.
So leveraging technology to find solutions to the challenges what we have in volume.
In volume.
Correct. Okay.
In volume, you have to do that.
Look at. I have another question which has come up from Ramakrishna Singh. He says, "Why can I think we can go ahead with time if you are okay?" Because my question is, there are a lot of questions which have come in.
Problem.
I want to kind of. So the next question: Why can we not do away with exams? As it is, teaching seems to be centered around exams, denying weaker students. So what's your take on that?
See, it is like this. I commit a sin.
Okay.
Then I try to cover that sin.
Okay.
I commit another sin.
Okay.
Or I commit a lie.
Okay.
So, first of all, exams are a problem because of the one size fit all, which doesn't see the reality anywhere in the world, not only in India. India is not uniquely diverse in children. Because nature loves it. Nature doesn't want one single one.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't like monoculture. Because one virus attacks it, it will all die.
Correct.
But another, this one will be, you've got a multiple culture, it will not die.
Yes.
Chances are it will do. That is why nature wants diversity. Evolution wants diversity. So you will have lot of different children.
So assessment methods have to change.
So when you start fitting that, then your exam is not a unilateral exam coming down.
Okay.
I am telling you, I am predicting whatever, more and more they centralize this thing, there will be leakages. And then the poor chaps who are administering it, they will cry. Because leakages will appear, because you are allowing only one channel.
There's only one out. See, that's
one outlet. One outlet means there will be stampede.
So we need
as simple as that.
More of
you know, let them do. When I said that the teacher will do at her level, let her conduct the test and exam.
So the freedom has to be given
at that level, not this principle of this one will come for a very higher level. Not here at the younger schools will be somebody sets syllabi, some teacher delivers, then somebody sets exam, then somebody makes an answer book. All wrong. This is a very intimate process till at least, according to me, till at least 10, 12.
Okay.
Not age, up to the 12th this thing.
Great.
And that teachers can do, I said earlier, multiple accreditation.
Correct.
Whether they fudge it, etc.
What is your take on it?
No. It will come. See, there are enough of professionals now in this country who have teachered, who have done research on teaching, etc.
Correct.
They can even have some foreign fellows, I have no problem.
Okay.
So these people, if they start accrediting some of the type of things which you were trying to do in CII earlier on, they give it and then they can take it from multiple people. Suppose I am a rogue. Senthil is very strict. So come to me, I will give you the accreditation. After few years, it will be exposed.
Yeah, because
but if you want me a solution, it will happen tomorrow.
No.
Then he is only a charlatan. He is not this one is only a charlatan. It will not, especially in education, is much more difficult. In engineering college, within the 4th year, it will be clear.
Yeah, because two batches once it gets
when they see outside that this fellow got accredited like this, the employer will have his or her own record.
Correct. So they will make their own notes, basically.
Notes.
Okay. The next question which is coming up
in
is
fact,
again,
opening up education will actually increase the GDP. GDP growth will go up.
Okay, I think you have answered this question of Pooja Gyanchandani. She's from outside the country, and she says that in many countries teachers are paid highest. Why can't they be paid as much in India? Okay, that's one question. Gil says great learning. Okay, the Shanti Mohan from TVS Madurai, she is asking, should value education be taught as a subject? What's your take?
I think in India, when I was in Vice Chancellor of Punjab Technical University, I have seen somebody talks about some environment and other thing. One honorable respected Supreme Court judge says that the environment should be made compulsory. Everything whichever made, it should be made compulsory. The gender sensitivity should be made compulsory. This one should be made compulsory. Then etc. Constitution knowledge should be made compulsory. how much will you put on the head of the child? Another thing is, value education is a big question. In economics, value is defined.
Correct.
Very clear. I have done this work. I have done this work. I don't add value unless I charge money for it. Correct. Suppose we two are talking and it is not paid. In economics, it is zero value.
Correct.
But I may just come and sit and meditate.
Correct.
Everybody puts money for me.
That's not possible.
No, that it becomes value. It becomes value.
Correct.
Because I have created money in the process.
Correct.
So economics is very clear.
Correct.
Here the value is somebody says you respect your father and mother. Another person says respecting is not enough, you have to go and touch their leg. Another fellow says all these are bunk up. Don't believe in God, believe in humanity. That also becomes value. Another person thinks you believe in God every day.
Every theory will have to context.
So value system, you have to see what I said earlier. You have a proper civic sense. Okay. Have personal hygiene. Respect somebody else. Don't go and hit another child.
Okay.
Those are the type of thing, but not as a compulsory. It has to be emulatory. And for that, only schools alone cannot arrogate themselves.
It's a whole environment.
The child has a very bad family. The child has got a very bad neighbors. You don't know. So, this is a sort of thing, very important point. What she thought of is good, but let it not be made God's sake. One book and emulation.
And series, I don't want to mention, there are publishers who run series on value education.
See, these are all will be, doesn't matter. These are all parasitical industry which will develop. Coaching is another parasitical industry of the current system. Okay. But if you open up literature, this one, then you will find many more useful things.
And people will have the choice of picking the right thing.
Practical botany, practical plant making, not botany, plant making for children in around Tamil Nadu. Because you can't give a thing in Uttarakhand about a thing which grows in Tamil Nadu.
Correct. So, localization and contextualization.
It will come by itself. It will come by itself. They may put it in IT system, download.
Okay. The next question is coming from Preeti Goyal from Punjab. She says, skill learning should be part of daily learning process in school. Yes or no?
Definitely yes.
Yes.
But the skill, please don't trust the skill on this one. You have to discover the child and then give it accordingly.
So moral of the story is very clear, Preeti, that you have to identify the potential of the kid and then nurture that skill in that particular child rather than dumping what Professor just said, that you can't see tomorrow something else comes and you dump it in a syllabus. And then the teacher is not knowing, there is no teacher, there is no question paper setter, and suddenly somebody becomes author in VR, artificial intelligence. So many things are being done, which I'm really sorry about.
I have done in my St. Xavier school, book binding. I know that photo will be cut in those days, plywood and then cut these things. I am very good at it. I have done weaving. But it was in those days okay, because they were all things which will give money.
Yes.
Suppose I stop at 8, I can be a bookbinder. I can become that cutting, because everybody love to have one Mahalakshmi, say for Jesus, they saw something. You can do a picture, stick it and then cut it through it's a very, very intricate process.
That's something which all of us did as part of the SUPW.
And it was compulsory. But there were options available. So here in the modern world, you have to give many, many things. Many small value addition. How to be a retail? How will you be in a retail shop? Correct. In a mall? How will you behave?
Correct.
How will you in the hotel? You become an attendant. What you have to do? You will start from the cleaning of the nails, etc.
Fine. The next question is Ramakrishna Singh. She said, anybody becoming school teacher and not able to cope up with the demands of the teaching at primary and secondary level is such a disappointment that I wonder things can be improved easily. That is, I don't know, it's just an idea.
No, I tell you, not cope up with teaching is a very, in some sense not understandable, because part of the thing where some people have pointed out before in the earlier questions.
No, I'm going to take those, because there are a lot of things which are questioning.
No, thing is like this.
Yes.
You go keep this record, go for election duty, go for this. VIPs are coming, and therefore line up children.
That is something which is again a big.
Line up children. In fact, my wife, because she is dead against children, young children being put in that and then hold some flag or some says this thing or a flower for the VIP line, some 100, 200. These things become an unnecessary load. If you remove some of them, but I am not removing out of it documentation which is required about the child. The other one, what I said, individual child's capability, documentation will go up. That documentation is different. Those things they cannot run. They can't just say that I will come and just talk to the child and then go.
No, that's
that is
not
to
right.
be seen.
Okay. The next question which is coming in said, sir, your ideas are good. Nirmala Thakur ma'am has said, Ramkrishna Singh says that majority of teachers lack teaching skill from school to university. Okay, that's a point. Okay.
Again, the point is we depend upon the so-called teaching skill on the so-called B.Ed, which many vice chancellors, many people themselves will say most of the B.Eds are not. It's again a paperwork.
Okay.
The B.Ed keeps something in the thing when they can learn.
Self-learning, peer learning, modern.
And in fact, I am not even so much will force a B.Ed. Let people who have aptitude come and then give 3-4 years in which you keep modules of learning to be done. They have to have psychology, they have to learn. Because there are some people are gifted to deal with children. There are some who hate talking to people. I have done this thing. BA इधर नहीं हुआ. I asked the children who are some of the best B.Ed these things. They didn't get engineering, they didn't get because they were आप लोग तो है ना बराबर पढ़े नहीं है 12 में, इसलिए इधर नहीं मिला. इसलिए अभी क्या है BSc तो पढ़ो, BA तो पढ़ो, फिर उसके बाद क्या B.Ed मिलेगा तो शादी अच्छा होगा. You know, the children, I had such a rapport, they all showed the hand like this. I said, don't worry, how you can make it loving. So this attitude, actually the existing teachers, many of them have been poor people, this thing, bulk of them have been spoiled. They have start hating many things because of the inspection Raj, this one Raj. Because of the inspection, your headmaster asks you to make so many records.
Unnecessary.
These things are all removed.
Yeah, I think this is something which I wanted to also ask you a very important question. You know, there is a story right in India, right? There's a rat, and then for taking away the rat, you brought the cat. For throwing away the cat, you brought dogs, and then you brought something else. Now,
This is called, shall I tell you?
Yes,
actual word they use is Maharshi's Kaupinam, the lion cloth. It's actually the word, Kaupinam means lion cloth.
Okay.
Because a Maharshi was there, a sannyasi actually.
Correct.
It's not a Maharshi, sannyasi's lion cloth. That fellow was having an isolated place, he was doing something, he was a sannyasi. So he had some shishyas with him. That this thing, lion cloth, was getting eaten away pulled away by rats or something like this.
Correct.
Then somebody came and told, you have a
Cat.
cat. That will solve the problem.
Correct.
So it's very simple, and then they brought a cat. Oh, very good idea. Then the early morning it started troubling them because, hey, you have to give milk, I say. So these sishyas have to go and fetch milk. So it was becoming a problem. Like this, the thing goes on. Then the milk, then the daily going is difficult. Then they say, have a cow. Then feeding the cow and maintaining was a problem. Finally, the sannyasi ended up marrying a woman. You married all.
I'm not going. So you converted a sannyasi into a family man. That's very,
That may be good.
No, because see, what is happening, sir, right now is because we are talking about examination reforms. Today, it's unfortunate that because of the so-called malpractices, today a child's photo has to be uploaded on an app from mobile for a CBSE examination, practical examination as such. Now, when you try to talk about bringing certain stringent, it is like practically holding somebody with the neck and saying you answer this particular question, the freedom not being given. So that's something which all of us have to kind of look at it.
No. Let me tell you, when I make this, there are certain segments of industry that are going to be unhappy, but I am going to say it.
Correct.
How much of the calamities are looked at as an opportunity. Calamity means human calamities are looked at an opportunity, especially by these IT fellows.
Okay.
Everything, you say, you had one identity card, 10 identity cards. They make everything so that they will be continuously in the picture. I am solving the problem through IT. You cannot solve. You are too poor a country. See the extreme poverty of America poverty line is more than, much more earning than our middle class and even sometime upper middle class.
Okay.
So we have to understand what we can do. The type of decentralization, what I said. Okay, some 5%, 10% will do some jugglery. Even
Not
today,
everybody.
even today it is not taking place.
It's taking place.
There are taking place. That fellow who has money, who will go and pay the right persons and then get all the exams also.
Correct.
So
That's the
I
second
am not see, load this and load that, and many children won't have.
And
see, I cannot do.
and
In
the
fact, when
technology
you
now
asked me, will you do this program? You said that it is so simple. So otherwise, you go to a webinar and then do it, and then in between it drops out. Then do it. Look, there are certain items. Oh, it becomes so bad. It's okay. Oh, companies, big companies, organized sector, do it. And even for engineering professional colleges, you do it. And the school and other things, etc.
Leave them as free as possible.
As free as possible, as simple as possible, can be checked. It's relatively simple. If somebody cheats, doesn't matter.
Okay, I have another question from Freddy Fernando from South, that is from Tamil Nadu. Yes. He says, what's your suggestion about trained and skilled teachers transforming the knowledge skill to the students? I have seen good English speaking teachers have failed to transform their skill to the students. What is your take on it? That's his question.
See, the question is, again it comes to what you define by the skill.
Okay.
If it is in the narrow, this one, that the English teacher should be transforming the child into the great, because most of the formally educated English graduates and English postgraduates, they are all Shakespearean and Milton and all that. They don't even look at Indian authors.
No, I completely agree.
Unless they are the Indian author is an NRI and then having this thing.
Correct.
So it's not that. Has that English teacher given the capability to use, as I said, some simple business communication? Not necessarily the literature. Literature may go to only a few.
Correct.
Others, can they do? If the child goes tomorrow after 10th standard, goes to a hotel,
He should be able to order his
work, no, not order.
Only order
He's
his-
working. Morning, welcome, madam, or becomes a guide in the local one. It is that I will judge. So the skill should be what can earn money, not by how many papers are you able to write an appreciation on this poetry.
Okay.
Is not what is.
So,
If
Freddy,
that
I
is
think
so,
that's your answer to the
it is-
question.
if that is so, then it is wrong.
Okay.
If you define it into practical one, according to this, at this point I want to give a statistics. Most of the children who start out of the 20 million, what I said, I told only the top. The bottom, bulky base is very alarming. Is that about 60 to 70% of them,
Okay.
of the child, after 4th or 5th, drops out. Because of your RT, etc., they may go and sign. They may say 8th standard. But 8th standard, they will have no. That is why your answer says that they don't have this, because they are all out. So 70 to 80% of our children completely are out of economic and social skills, which will be required for India.
Fine.
We are not dependent. It is for the global thing which will come. India should have it. Then the other 30 on the top, even there, as I told you, 2, 15, and another one is some passing, this one, get some ITA, get this thing, etc. That is what we call a skill. But the skill has to be here also.
At the base level itself.
Variety of different type of skills. Now they are struggling and learning it. Painter boys, plumber boys.
Okay. The question which is asked by Devnath from Stones to Milestone is, how can schools identify the right person to qualify to be a teacher? That second question is, should teachers be provided with paid sabbatical for 8 year plus to reorient themselves? And his last question is very interesting. Do you see remote possibility of our country switching over to a Gurukul system?
Okay. Now I answer one by one very fast.
Sure. Because
because of the time constraint.
Sure.
The first part of it, selecting by schools, if current criteria is, which is when you over centralize, then you will say B.Ed of this one, then they will say B.Ed in an accredited college, like that you will make it so difficult.
Correct.
That most of the people
Nobody will
not get it, or they will get an accreditation through devious means. So they will pass and come. So this is not the method. There has to be a different way in which let the schools decide. Make it simple. If they come with B.Ed, fine. If they even in the B.Ed, how are they teaching handling a children instead of one exam?
So academic qualification need
In
not be
which case,
connected.
academic qualification and then put that as an objective criteria or a UPSC exam type of thing, some KPSC, that immediately will the Department of Education will hold a test. That's what we will do.
Correct.
And then we will keep some big academicians
Correct.
sitting on that. No use. Let the school, I
Choose.
am delivering, I say, I am delivering. Let me be responsible. Even in government school, I will say, give that freedom.
So-
Don't make it the education secretary sitting and selecting. Yes, there will be some hanky-panky.
There will be. Because of that, we should not the system.
Not that all these big things. In fact, many politicians get into trouble because of the teachers' recruitment. Some of them, one or two of them are in jail.
Correct.
So that takes place because such a bulk you are getting. You allow it to relax it a little bit.
Correct.
Then you do the thing. Then
Second
Gurukul
is-
system.
Huh.
Gurukul system is something which is enjoyable, but the Gurukul system at the bottom level, for everybody on a mass scale, is not possible. Gurukul system was never a mass scale. It was in the good old days, it was limited to certain, it was not limited to certain castes alone. There were some people, and then many others got skills through what is called as guild, GEILDS. That particular groups of people, they will give those skills.
Okay.
But now those things will become difficult. So, and of course, one thing is we have to all remember, Indian law does not prohibit home learning.
Okay. Home
If
learning.
home learning is not prohibited in law.
Correct.
So if because even in RTE, Minister, I think Kapil Sibal made a clarification. This doesn't mean a parent doesn't want to send a child to this thing, because there are always open school methods in which you can write the exam.
Yes.
Okay. So this is not done. In fact, Rabindranath Tagore was a home learner.
Correct.
Like that, many are there. So in that, if somebody wants to form a Gurukul with a small group of people, that can come. These will all be nice experiments worth doing. I will not say no, but to think on a mass, I am thinking in terms of these 20 million children coming. For me, their bulky base of 70%
Is very, very.
is for me more important. The top one, they will fight it through. Poor chaps, I sympathize with them, I sympathize with the middle class. But this also we have to take care. That will be esoteric. Let it be so. We cannot.
Sure. The next is question which is.
I might have skipped one question on that.
No,
but I put
the one
holistic-
question is basically, should the teachers be given paid sabbatical or not?
Paid sabbatical. See, the thing is like this: sabbatical, and all. Then everybody will be looking at it like a entitlement and a leave. In India, we have got too much entitlement, very poor responsibility. Rather, I would like to see that what they should do.
Just side.
What we should rather do is that every year, say 10-15 days type of thing. Let
Every
them
year,
be
15 days
continuously
training.
learn. Continuously, 15 days and 2 slots, 6 months and another 1 year type of thing, during which they are given certain experience.
So continuous professional
Experience
development.
learning, new thing coming, okay, AI came. I will tell you what AI can do.
The basics of it.
Basic, what it do, what it cannot do. In fact, we have to say what it cannot do. Don't think that I am giving AI is not a plug-in machine. You will have, if your software is not done, in fact, I used to say, if you are not intelligent enough, AI cannot help.
The basics of it.
See the Boeing problem, that MAX, and some launch failures, etc. They are all a software problem. So you can't leave everything into this. And whereas here is a much complex, even in an aircraft you can't do it. Here it is a many complex of so many children. So don't think that you are putting a plug-in AI.
And intelligence.
Oh, there came some 20 million bright children every year I am producing. No way. No way.
Okay.
So if that is done continuously, let the schools invest, including the government schools, they should invest.
Okay,
And
one more thing.
that should not be again lectures by
It should be hands-on and actually
actually go to
practice.
school,
Work with
look
them.
at it,
Yeah.
let them select. In fact, what we should say, can you select a problem? Let the 5-6 months let them think.
Right.
I want to work on that. That is
So more of action research to the specific area.
by hand, experiential. That is why you see.
Yes, the Roshni from Hyderabad, she has written 3 questions, again 3 sawal. One is, how do you motivate students to make how can we motivate students to help them to improve their decision making? One. The second is, teachers are into more secondary duties and documentation work. Third is inculcating various strategies and interests in science teaching. I think he has given sufficient info on the science teaching and chemistry and physics concepts, because he talked about agriculture, he talked about the functional aspects of the subjects are very, very critical. But I would like him to just touch upon the documentation part of it, the need for documentation. And
See, the need for documentation, as I said, you put more current day documentation, even I will feel suffocated. So how many students do, how many did this one, they are all RT related question or some inspector related question. That documentation is bad. That can be offloaded. Yes, some minimum is necessary. The main other thing is you have to see how the children are growing. And though that can become private, it need not be made public, and it is to be shared with parents alone.
Then the progression can be as
Then this thing, your child seems to be on that, will you like it?
Correct.
That makes the difference on it. And then science teaching and other thing, etc., you have to really do. Then there can be some golden type of thing who are all, there may be future Ramanujams and Sahas and that type of thing. And then career guiding. I think today we are destroying many. I know in the colleges I have seen aeronautics. Are Baba, why did you take? Many of them have been thinking. They have told me, sir, Dr. Kalam was aeronautics. I said, but do you know how many companies are available? Everybody wants to go to ISRO. How many ISRO can take? You have got 25, 35 aeronautics thing. So the problem is, who guides? The teachers, most of them don't know.
So don't become a counselor.
So you may not, but if you learn,
what are the areas?
If you say what is likely, that is why I say what is likely to emerge after the child. Say 10 years horizon, what is likely to come. In fact, I would say, many children come to me, the parents bring them. I just twist the children on number of questions. Then I point out, say that keep 4 or 5 options. Don't say, dream of one thing you are going to get, you are not to be. Probably it may be a cool desire, in which you will be there. Otherwise it may be a pit in which you may fall. So you have to have this. I am telling you on a very basic scientific, not philosophical. There is a book on Origin of Wealth in Complexity. There is a fantastic book. The same Murray Gell-Mann had opened that institution. So where you choose your path, because the world is complex, economy is complex. This is, I am wording the word in is simply a technical mathematical sense.
Correct.
So if I started this path, another one started in this path, all around the same area, this person may have gone high, then you think that you will come back and then start higher. You are not to be.
Because already lost the face.
Lost the face. So your initial conditions and all, and therefore you don't know. Another thing is, you are not going to fix a job.
Yeah.
No, great MIT, nobody will fix a job. They will only enabling things so that you are market oriented, you are giving enough exposure, you are going to work with people. That is why I said all the experiential thing will work.
So that's where I think
what
I am trying to get from Professor is very, very clear is that schools cannot prepare for one particular role and say that you will get into this, you will get into it. That cannot happen. Choices has to be provided as much possible, because that's something which is kind of, the buffet spread has to be there. Let the choice be there based on the need and the context, what that particular child is actually looking at it. We have another 33 questions, sir. I'll just take one minute, and then another 10 minutes. Is it okay?
No,
okay. Because I don't want to kind of, if the education has to be given to child-centric, then, 1 minute, let me quickly, there are too many questions. If the education has to be child-centric, then where is the child's choice, what he or wants to learn? Okay, it's just a comment. Rajesh Sharma, thanks a lot for answering. Srinivasan Lata, she says, with the fixed curriculum, how do we at least squeeze in creativity and innovation?
I said that destroy the fixed curriculum. Have only a core of it. Rest of it should be a lot of modules, like a buffet dinner.
Like a buffet dinner, and people can have the choices.
Buffet dinner, buffet lunch, whatever it is.
Okay. How do teachers adapt digital tools in the classroom environment? Look at the need, and that's what he said very clearly. Look at the need and look at the context, whether that is required for that particular profile of that particular classroom, and then you can look at appropriate technology. That's what he said. AI, VR, all those things. There are people who can be kind of looking at it. Okay.
Of course, computer is necessary. Digital is necessary, but don't think it is a panacea. You can't find all solutions there.
Correct. Roshni Handa from Punjab, she says, creativity and accountability of a teacher helps the students to grow in their schooling. That's her statement. She says
she is right.
Yeah.
But today, as I told about earlier, if she has been hearing me,
Yeah.
that how the teachers
Use
thought
this as a
about
tool.
reflection, laws of reflection. There are many who have done it in other things also.
Correct.
If a teacher is willing to do it, and if the environment provides for it, definitely say yes. But that is to be enabled, because otherwise somebody says, oh, finish the class, she will have a problem.
So Aarti Anand from Chennai, she says, very few youngsters getting into the teaching profession. Unlike other careers, ours is the last choice. How to change the scenario?
I don't think so. If you see the amount of applications which go for many of the state teachers recruitment thing, it almost is 1:10 is the ratio.
Okay.
So that is not a problem. Many young people from a upper middle class and middle class family, they don't want to go. That is a different story.
Okay.
That is a different story. So let us not mix it with all other things.
Correct. There's a question from Francis Joseph from Maharashtra. Does that mean that professor feel that the government schools would challenge private schools in future?
Which one?
Do you feel the government school will challenge the private schools?
See, for me, there is no division between private, public, foreign or anything.
Uh-huh.
There is no question of child. See, we want to make everything this versus this fight. All of them are, every child which is there in any school in India is an Indian child. I want them to do well.
Mm-hmm.
There can be a joint, tomorrow there can be a joint venture between a government school and this.
Yeah, there are already some experiments being done, so I think we should.
So let us not make into verses. Anybody who thinks verses will destroy both.
So Francis, that's a message for you. Collaboration, and I think you are doing a good job in that area. I know, so I think you should continue doing that. Srinivasan Lata says, exciting to listen to you. Wish we are able to take valuable inputs into the classroom. Yes, you should attempt, nothing wrong in it. Lakshmi Kumar from Pune says that keep options. Which book Amarkant is asking? Way Beyond 3 Hours. I will write it in the comment. Follow Amarkant ji. Amazing session. Book Way Beyond. Okay, that's already written by Murli here. Wonderful learning. Kadaresh joined. Okay, 1 minute. I think I have 2 more questions and then we close the session. So just give me a minute, because the comments are coming so much that. Okay, there is one question again by Nirmala Thakur from Pune. How do we bring the stakeholders working in early childhood segment, the bureaucracy in education, work towards science and innovation?
See, don't try to make children to make into science and innovation at that age. Make it to be curious. It should be able to do what it is good at. It should be curious to look at something. Science and other thing, I am proud to be a science. I want people to get into science. Okay. But if everybody gets into science, there will be no support system. It can be only a very small this thing. See, if you look at any country, the priests, whether it is Europe or any one of it, there have been glorious time, but they are very limited. In Tamil, there is a saying, only one temple per village. You can't have everybody a temple priest and temple everything temple. So science is a thing which is complex, and again people have to understand what science is. It is not only astronomy and basic research. There are a lot of engineering things. If you put all of them together, business management is also a lot of science there. So let us not limit it to only this. Creative, yes. That means you have to be curious. Try to do something different and see.
Okay. Now, Francis Joseph has responded to your comment. He says, you spoke his heart, basically, whatever you want. With that, I think what I will do.
I have got only one point.
Yes, I want. What are your 3 mantras for any young teacher who's getting into the classroom, according to you? And then I will take your summing up part of it.
You have got, even though I said there are certain changes to be done, I am glad that you put this. I was going to give that as, even if you are not giving me the time, I was going to say that.
Sure.
So when all those changes will come, because I know India works only on crisis. 91 economic reform was not done by this thing because we had no money, we had to send our gold, therefore we opened up this one. So education system is tearing apart in everything, one single exam, court ruling something, etc., etc. All of them are creating a problem. They will quietly decentralize.
Okay.
So that will take place. But till that time, what do you do? So you are in an oppressive regime. You have got an inspector, you have got this thing, you have got a straitjacket syllabus. Parents are all worried about what mark, 9.5 or 9.52, all that. You have to worry about it.
Correct.
But even within that, especially those who are teaching below 8 and below, you have got a more opportunity. Even those who are higher can do something. You can try something little creative. Discover your children. That will be my first this one. Whichever one, it has come from some other school, see what that child is interested in. Some child may say, I like this, my parent doesn't like, don't try to put them into conflict.
This is exactly what happens. This is exactly what happens.
Recipe for this thing, because sometimes the teachers think that they know everything. Parents also think similarly, but they are concerned. They are putting the money. They are worried about the sibling. It's a natural biology, evolution. You have to see your species is okay. So try to discover the child and then try to do so many things. But don't get on, I will also caution you, don't get involved in so much because it will get into the privacy of something. There is a conflict in the house. Then in which case you have to do to the management. A lot of child psychology counselors and all are not available, but some of them have to be done. So you don't get into that terrain when it becomes a problem. There is in Tirukural there is Anjuvad Anjamai Pedamai. There are something which is to be feared, you have to fear. So don't get into private lives of the got involved. You have to be like a doctor, try to find it out. That is item number 1. Discover the child and then try to do something creative. Number 2, let me say on this, even though I want all of you to take this thing, this one, anybody who, I can tell you by strength of my actual work right from the age of 20 onwards, in ISRO, this one, we got to do, nobody knew ISRO. We have to sell that idea, we have to get the application. We are what we are. Money, this one, that one, getting people to work. Even getting people to work within the organization is not easy. All that has gone through. And then later I have done in Taifa, more than 300, 400 industries, variety of them. On that I say, anybody who attempts change will have to be like a Jesus Christ. You have to carry a cross. Okay? That carrying a cross, if somebody puts a little kerchief so that the weight doesn't oppress you, you should thank them.
That is
if somebody who doesn't put a spear into your rib, you should thank them. Because we are not like Jesus to say everybody is Father, save everybody. But so you have to keep doing, but don't worry. Because I am telling you, carrying all that cross, with many of them have given beautiful poetry for me. They are all in my books. You can get it in my website. You can download.
ysrajan.com.
In that bottom of it is Google. Google link is there. There you can see. In fact, my first poetry book in English, I say agony and harmony. You have to be ready for the change. I explained in the previous also. So you have to be ready for it. But at the end of it, I tell you, you will really love it. You will say that it was worth doing. These are the main 2 things I will do. Third thing will be always, these 2 were what is today type of thing. Always keep looking ahead, something which is emerging, something which is coming up. Say drones coming, will they become big? You have to try to understand, not alone, If you preferably like a little bit of a group
Small
learning,
team, action
small
research team.
team, one maybe little physics, some maybe something else, somebody else, but don't believe everything which is given in Google or newspapers. You have to go beyond them. I am telling you with full responsibility, because some of them can be so misguiding, you will think that is correct. So you have a little bit, that is where your knowledge of, even in history, somebody says something, can I do? Then new genetics is coming, how the archaeology see, like that. Some of you form a group and then form. These are the worth documentation. You can even doing it in your PCs, you can retain it, and people share it. Your WhatsApp group need not be in a WhatsApp group, because WhatsApp has got other problems. Then you will get stuck and then some other message will come. You concentrate on this and then try to build it up, and then prepare first yourself for that change which is emerging. Then you can transmit it to something to the children. In that process, you can also occasionally a few enlightened parents you will find, because you all have got parent-teacher meeting. No, in fact, everybody will be yelling. Somebody will say this is not there, that is why my child got wounded. I know many things which people create. Nothing will be there, small scratch. They will take WhatsApp, they will go to this one. Some will say I will go to Bangalore Mirror. All that will take place. Equal mirror will be there in universities.
Correct.
So, but within all that, you will find a few of them who are very good. So that is the third part. With them, first your own learning, and with them you also tell them these are all coming. How can you shape? You may not be doing your children, but you have got some method. So you do this, then I think it's a process, especially in your areas. It's not going to be like this. If I am in an industry, I can do it in 2-3 years. Even in some of the current level of space business, 2-3 years one can do. But for you people, the results will be a little bit longer.
Yeah, it's basically 5 to 7 years.
5 to 7 years will
basically.
Be a thing. But
should be able to get
you have to keep that confidence in yourself, faith that you can change, and learn. When you have made mistakes, you learn yourself. You don't have to apologize every time. Oh, I did it, etc. It can go in the back. And then lastly, don't take any of us. I am giving it because I am in some sense an iconoclast. Don't take everything past. Oh, that man did this man did it. Those days are gone. Anybody who was trodden today, what we have spoken today, tomorrow the life is changing. Correct. So be aware of it. I am not disrespecting any of them, but you cannot emulate anybody in life. You have to chop out your path. This doesn't mean that I am independent, I only know, not that. You do it.
Take learnings and keep moving.
It is an interdependent world, it is an interconnected world, all that you have to do, that will create in you a certain amount of humility. Mm-hmm. Humility is a very important thing to be a change agent.
Kritika has just added a point when you were talking about the bridge between the past, present and the future seems to be available in the arts subject as such. So everybody is trying to take a meaning out of it.
Please, it is very, very good, but don't think that it is the way some arts are being taught. See, I have read so much around in sociology, this one, etc., etc. You can see even my books. Welcome to see it. But I tell you, people trying to put a narrow silo and then say this is what it is. The way it will be taught will be that child cannot explore.
So that's
I don't think that you meant it, but I definitely agree. You have to have a much broader mind of looking at life, this one, etc. The innate processes which cannot be defined by physics or any of them, etc.
Sure. 3 things which came out quite clearly from Professor YSR, I call him as YSR's statements are very, very clear for a teacher. First, discover the child, the environment, the parent, the community, wherever you are located. The second point which came out very explicitly from him was, during this change process, there are all possibilities that you may get crucified. But try to find out community of people who can come forward and support you in this particular process. So he made a very interesting thing about creating an online community, and I would like to invite all of you also who are here. There is an app which we also work on, Teachers Learning Community, which is free of course. Come there, create your own community and then start working on it. The third part of it, which he said very, very important, is that trying to see that what is happening around us and what is emerging across the world, because those emerging technologies will impact in 5 to 7 years, and that's something very, very important. And then to look at suitability of it. Don't get jargonized because we get into AI, VR, all that is required. Yes, we need to know about it, but we need not become a PhD holders in those particular subjects. I think that came out quite explicitly. The next important point, only one particular point. What is your message to this? There is a generational shift which is also happening right now in education sector. And why I'm asking this particular question is on 9, 10, 11, 12, we are doing a new generation young owners program, and I have requested Professor Y.S. Rajan to be there with us on 9th evening and 10th morning to basically make this generational shift which is happening among the managements. I think that's something very, very important. So what's your message to the school managements to support the teacher? Because government we have spoken, teacher we have spoken, parent we have spoken, but this management is something...
See, the school management, my simple message is, you internalize many of the things what I said. If you want to really create great people, you should know on one side you have to conceptualize, you have to be strict and then get things done, etc. At the same time, you should know how to delegate, decentralize. This actually, there is a very beautiful thing. I am not telling the exact word. Vikram Sarabhai says, delegation doesn't mean abdication.
Okay.
It's a very, very thin line. At the same time, you start doing it, and for you also my message is, you say that I am going to be the change agent and I won't wait for government, the RTE, this one, that one, etc. In spite of all that, I will struggle and I will create some excellence, I will create an environment. It has limitations, but still people have done it during the oppressive license permit quota Raj also. That is why some industries are strong. So you can do that, and that will be good. And lastly, I personally, I won't call it as an incorrigible optimist, etc., but based on data. If a Senthil and O.S. Rajan equivalent with some teachers, that means numbers would not have been there. In those days, about 40 years ago also, they would have told everything has gone, gaya, all that, gaya, abhi kuch nahi hoga, khatam ho sakta hai. You will find such, I have read it as early from 1960s onwards. Everybody will say this is wrong. It will be there. And they are also useful because from them you can learn what has gone wrong. Not everything can be corrected. Some what we said, they said also might be wrong. But there I have a lot of hope that people have always tried to innovate, and then the millennial, when the millennials will come, they will also find a path. When things, soon things will get liberalized also. Some of these enlightened management, when they start doing, they will start attracting good millennials with them.
Good staff.
Who got integrated of many things in them as their staff, as their not necessarily a teacher, sometimes as a coordinator, sometimes as an innovator, creator, or a linkage with industry. Many of things can come. So all this actually, you as a management, I know you have got on other side the terrible governments to handle. Sometimes even your own colleagues, academics, can be a very old, respected professor, but he will come and say, you will keep on hitting only one idea. Yeah. You have to learn how to do those. These are all the things. I don't think that I have not done all that. You have to have a board of governor, you have to have a management, you have to have this thing, a planning commission, any one of it. So you should know how to manage it. Sama, Dana, Veda, not Danda. Danda cannot be used. Then you can also have very clever methods of variety of other things.
How do you try to define
I think you people, if you start experimenting that, you will be the frontliners when it gets liberated. If you see when the industries got liberated in 1991, those who did this were the one which went fast. Because Senthil also know, I also know in CII. But those who are thinking, let government do, we will see, then they are lost already 5-6 years. So you start it whenever you can.
Fine.
And you will have a great success. You will enjoy it because you are young. Therefore, when you come to my age, you will definitely live. Most of you will live 95, 96, hale and hearty. Maybe some replaced part and all, but still you will be all right. So you people will do great. But lastly, when I said that, please teach teachers. This is one thing which I would say. Please teach the students fitness. You yourself keep fitness, not necessarily gym, not necessarily the shape. Shape doesn't mean physical physical exercises should be done. At least the half an hour, body should sweat because of all the bodies. That is the physiology. Then meditation, yoga and all, that is another thing. Then other value systems and all, that is a different matter.
Sure.
This you teach everybody, for yourself and the teacher, including I am telling you this, the young generational shift.
New
You
shift.
have to keep yourself, to take all the stresses, you have to keep yourself fit.
Anyway, thank you very much, Professor YSR. I think always a person I have looked up to. Okay, he may not still agree, but every time I've gone back with the idea in my earlier role, and any time, I think always there was one or two questions he will ask, which will actually make us to go back to a drawing board and start thinking whether it really makes sense and how exactly we. No, it's not about the questions and the kind of statements which came out. The whole purpose of this was that lot of experiences in different avatars, what he had played in different kind of organizations, came out, and his own writings. And I would recommend people that please go to his website ysrajan.com. If you, we'll kind of post that also here, and then try to understand that expression. And that's where I think language is very, very important. He said your mother tongue, your local language. And I think we don't have to look at all the challenges. Challenges will keep coming. People will keep creating the restrictions. But if a teacher minds, I think a teacher can bring in that kind of a change. Sir, thank you very much for taking your time out, because on a Sunday afternoon, tomorrow again he has to early morning he's leaving to Chennai for a conference. But I think when I requested him, he said please come forward, and then I said it's very, very limited technology and for the teacher, and just to tell the other people that it is purely a non-commercial activity. It's only that well-wishers like him who we kind of request them and try to get them and then try to talk to all of you. So with that note, thank you very much, sir. Namaste, and
Thank you, and also all the teachers, all the people who put questions, etc., etc.,
Yeah,
and
a lot of
those who are not
questions
put question also.
Yeah.
Because you are making the future of India.
Don't
Thank
worry,
you.
you can still post it. I think I'm going to tag this video also to Professor Vaisarajan, so he will get all the comments also. So we will surely try to see if any question which is not answered will get answered. Thank you very much. See you soon. Again in the next episode, trying to talk about, I think one question which is bothering me quite a lot from different parents, different teachers, is that can you do something about career counseling and career part of it? How to make choices. So let's see if I could kind of get this couple of people whom I'm thinking of. If I can get them, they will be there with us. With that note, thank you very much for being with us this evening. Thank you.